Welcome back to the SetNFix YouTube channel. After my channel hijacking incident, this is my very first video back, and today we're going to unbox this INGCO 550W planer. This planer is mainly designed for home users because it comes with a lower power rating of around 550 watts. So today we'll unbox it, check what's inside the package, and test how this planer performs. First of all, you can see that it comes in a very attractive yellow-colored box. So let's open it and see what's inside. When you open the box, you can see the planer itself along with a few accessories. Here we have the warranty card, and this is the user manual. We also get some tools and wrenches included in the package. This part here is used to help stabilize the planer while using it. And of course, here is the main machine itself, the planer. As usual, before using any tool, let's first take a quick look at the user manual. You can read and understand all the components, operating methods, technical specifications, and other hardware-related information. If you are using a planer for the first time, I highly recommend spending a few minutes reading through it. Now, let's take a closer look at the included accessories. This tool is mainly used for fixing the stabilizer and removing nuts when needed. Now, coming to the planer itself, you can see the body feels smooth and solid. Here you can see the cutting blade, and the good thing is that it is replaceable. On this side, you can see the belt mechanism, and here is the power switch. You can lock the switch by pressing the small button while operating, and you can release it whenever you finish using the planer. Here is the depth adjustment knob. By rotating this knob, you can increase or decrease the cutting depth, depending on your requirement. This planer is more suitable for smaller wooden planks and home DIY projects, rather than wider or heavy-duty work. The user manual also explains how to install and use the guide attachment. You simply fix it using the provided screws and tighten it properly like this. Once fixed, it helps you keep the planer aligned and move it accurately along a straight line. So these are the main features and technical parts of this planer. In my upcoming usage test, I'll show you how I personally use this planer at home and how it performs in real conditions. One thing I want to mention, I'm not recommending this for industrial or commercial use because the 550W power may not be sufficient for heavy-duty applications. This is more suitable for home users, DIY projects, and light woodworking tasks. Now let's test it and see how it performs. What is your planer? Let me know about it. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.